In 1932, Australia went to war. Not against another country, not even against people. They went to war against emus, giant flightless birds, and believe it or not, the emus won. After World War I, thousands of Australian soldiers returned home and were given farmland in Western Australia. But the land was rough, the economy was collapsing, and to make things worse, nature turned against them. In late 1932, an army of more than 20,000 emus, massive, fast, and hungry, invaded the wheat fields. They trampled fences, destroyed crops, and refused to leave. Farmers tried everything, but nothing worked. So they turned to the government and asked for military assistance. And unbelievably, the government said yes. Major G.P.W. Meredith of the Royal Australian Artillery was sent with 2 soldiers, 2 Lewis machine guns, and 10,000 rounds of ammunition. Their mission? Stop the birds. The first attempt? A disaster. The birds were too fast and scattered. The guns jammed. They hit barely any targets. In another attempt, the soldiers mounted a machine gun on a truck. But the terrain was so rough they couldn't aim properly. The emus outran them, yes. The birds literally outran a truck with a machine gun. After a week, only a few dozen emus had been killed, and it wasn't for lack of trying. They fired thousands of bullets. But emus travel in small, scattered groups. They were impossible to corner. One soldier joked that each bird must have taken at least 10 bullets to stop. The public and media ridiculed the operation. Newspapers called it the Emu War. Parliament was embarrassed. By early December, the operation was shut down. The official score? Emus. 1 Australian army, 0 farmers were left to deal with the problem on their own. Eventually, the government offered a bounty per bird. That worked better, but the Emu War remained a running joke. A strange chapter in military history where humans lost to birds. Today, the emu is literally on the Australian coat of arms, their national symbols, and maybe they earned that spot. So, what do you think? Was it a tactical failure, a logistical mess, or just a hilariously bad idea? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here at Relict for more strange stories from history that are 100% true.